Hello. Bit of a different one. Got a few things to open. But you may hear some background noise because I'm recording this in the living room whilst the wife and daughter are watching The Grinch. Her new favourite movie, apparently. So yeah, got some new toys for my little pocket. So I've just remembered I ain't got a knife, but I should be alright. So I've got a new bag, new kit bag. This is the one I'm most wanting to. All of those are off Amazon. I'll link them all down below. So I got a bag clip, phone holder, and a pocket tool holder. As stupid as it sounds, it's a selfie stick, but it's a portable power bank with a light on it as well, so I can use this out when it's dark and miserable. And then just a bog standard SD card, but it's 128 gigs, so I can use that on my drone, or I can use it on there for the longer stuff. So yeah, that's the first thing. Only 128 gig, but it's more than enough than I need. So let me clear this off. So the first one is a bag clip. So I got it off Amazon, but that's who it's come from. So it's nothing special, but wow, that's really stiff. So all it is, daughter's hair. And my daughter's just clocked that her other doll is sitting on our table. You don't have to shush, it's fine. And she's got him. The pocket tool just sits in here. Obviously need to adjust it as and when, but that's all it is. That is really stiff. That is good quality. So yeah, just clips onto my bag. And then yeah, you just stick the pocket in, adjust it to where you want it. I might need to stick another one on to adjust this, because if it's like that, the camera's going to be pointing that way, which is really weird. I needed it that way. I suppose I could put it there. Yeah, I'll try it. But yeah, I'll show you it all assembled. I'll switch over to my phone in a minute. This is the clever one that I really, really wanted. So I'd say made it. I've looked at a few of those. And apparently these are the best. So we'll see. Did she just fart? Yeah, well, I ain't bothered. So that's the phone holder, and the reason I went for this is because of that. It's not the spring loaded, it's you unscrew it and screw it back where it's nice and tight. And then what you do, so the phone will sit here and the pocket tool sits in there. Even though that doesn't seem strong enough, but we'll see. Yes, darling. You need to ask Mummy then. Daddy's a little bit busy. Yeah, so you stick the phone in there, pocket in there. But I'll tell you, I'm going to have to play with it and figure out how it would go on, because that sits quite high. There you go, no, that's quite snug. But Yeah, this will be difficult to show you because I need my phone. I might record it on Ken's phone. Yes, darling. Hello. And then you just got the attachment on the bottom, so it should screw into that. So yeah, it's more so because when you're using that, the screen is so small you can't see properly. So plug the phone in, my phone becomes the screen for that basically, so I can see everything. So this one's already trying to eat their way into this one. So there's the box. Pardon you. Yeah, these unboxings and vlogs are never family friendly because my daughter always decides to burp or fart. I suppose it's better than the wife. Oh, good look, I got the look. I'll pay for that one later. Right, quick start guide. Where's the funny? Reading the manual. So we'll get to the big one in a minute. So what do we get? So, ooh, that's a tiny USB, sir. That's really, really small. But USB-C short. I'm gonna assume this is, oh, that might actually be USB-C long. Oh yeah, there you go. There's the long one. But that's USB-C short to USB. That's actually quite clever. I like that. They are tiny, but it should be enough. So, there are all those. It's the third one I've got now. A little bit of fun packing. And now onto the big boy. So I've been looking for a selfie stick for a while because I usually just hold the base of that, which is fine. But then when you want to do longer shots, it's a bit more difficult. But yeah, so once again, pocket 2 again sits in there. I think these work on the pocket, the original pocket as well. I'm not sure if they work on the pocket 3. As much as I'd love a pocket 3, I'm happy with this. Oh, we've got. If I can do it. There you go. Ooh, satisfying. Oh, there's another one. So, there's a flashlight on the front. Whoa, that's bright. Jesus. So, a few modes. Oh, just blinded myself. So, 1 click, 2 click, 3 click, 4 click, gives you the strobe. That seems like SOS, but another click's back on solid, and then press and hold, switch it off. There you got the USB port on the back. That'll be to charge it and to send the power over. And then universal at the bottom, so you can add a selfie stick, a tripod, anything you want. So that's solid. So the specs aren't on here, but I think it was a 1400 milliamp. I might be wrong. Yeah, do not look at the fill light. Yeah, just figured out now. So it's a 4800 milliamp polymer lithium ion battery, which is fine, but it should have which it doesn't seem to. Power, no, obviously it won't. There's a 4 power indicators there as well, so when it's switched on you can see what's left. So it'd be more that way, so you're not blinding yourself with the light unless you're filming dark. But that means when I go into wooded areas and stuff like that, or any more abandoned houses I find, at least I've got a torch. So yeah, that's quite weight as well. I'm really happy with that. And then the pièce de résistance. Lykus. Now that looks massive. It really isn't. That's not in my upper torso, and you can still see my head. So there's my hand for reference. It's not massive. So the bag itself is a hard shell. Oh. Which you don't look that big. She's fine, Ken. What's up, darling? Whatever we do. That would work, wouldn't it? Right, there we go. That's it. It's not nothing special, don't get me wrong, but it is somewhere that I can store all my equipment. So you've got a lovely big pocket at the front. Fit tablet, phone, power banks. Oops, wrong one. But you've got the Velcro that goes over the front, so that covers that nicely. You've got the front pocket. Again, anything you want, cables, paperwork. 2 straps on the back. Luggage holder, which I'll probably never use, but we'll see. And then the reason I bought it, and there's a few different layouts you can use it. So it's advertised for the Mavic, the big boy, the Mavic 3s, but you can get the Air 2S and the Mini 3 in here. So we'll get on to that bit in a minute. So again, that's pretty sturdy. Nice front pocket for another tablet, anything you want to put in there. Cables, wires, just a mesh netting, nothing special. That's the main compartment. Now if I'm right in thinking this is actually a waterproof bag. Yep, waterproof cover that you can sling over the top. So keep it dry if you're out in the rain. Drone goes in there, and then all your auxiliaries. So you can either put the batteries in separately, which I won't be doing because I've got my battery hub, so I might put that in there. The controller, but everything's velcroed, so it's all adjustable. Even they are, bloody hell. You can take each one out and basically fit it to how you want. So you can take that out and put your camera top down view again. Not that big, but it's got, so that's my GoPro rip-off. My lights, backpack, pocket 2 box, waterproof camera with the battery inside, controller, batteries and drone. My mount for this, all my selfie sticks things, USB-C cables, and then my power banks will go in the front. And that's, yep, those are my power banks. That's my car mount, I think I've shown you before. Max cam again, I've got Getting the fetish with Max again. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. If you found any of that helpful and need my dribble and drivel, leave a like, hit it, subscribe. I'm at 91. I'm nearly there. Nearly at 100. Morgan's getting upset because she's dropped baby. And on that note, I'm going to sign off. Have a lovely rest of the day. Have a lovely weekend. That's bye from her.
Merry Christmas. Happy New Year.
Bye from her. Say bye bye.
Bye.
That's bye from the little one, and that's bye from my. See ya.